Om Shanti. I was reminded of when I came in Gyan, we always used to have this intoxication. I am God's creation. Of course, God, my parents, but the word creation, मैं ईश्वर की रचना हूँ, I am God's creation. Because above divine is godly. So because we are God's children, then we claim the inheritance of all the virtues from God. And then with remembrance of Baba, we become Sato Pradhan from Tamo Pradhan. So having that Sato Pradhan aim to become Sato Pradhan, and then being God's children, we become divine. We always talk about divinity, but within ourselves, we felt, each one of us, I think, if you think of your early days, internally you feel some divinity. I always felt it. And now then, to inculcate divine virtues, we all 5,000 years ago, when we began journey, we all had divine sanskars. We all were divine. But gradually we lost our purity, we lost our love. We keep losing the degrees of purity. And we reach to what we call as the last stage. So what we're doing is not new, but it's reclaiming. I think all of us were touched that there is something within us which awakened, and we start making efforts. Maybe on journey, sometimes we forgot, but now rekindle that awakening that I was divine. I had divine virtues, I had divine manners, and a divine family, and preparing to go to divine kingdom. So if I am creation of God, divine, so I create the sanskars, divine sanskars. And those divine sanskars is the cooperation we can give for God to establish the divine world. And we are seeing that how world is really becoming full with extreme climates of ISIS. And people are acting more with violence like devils, right? So why not we just look around and say, but we are the ones who have to create with Baba divine world. So keep focus, keep love, and we must see something emerging, and I think it will be very, very beautiful to look at and inculcate divine virtues. But one of the most two things are very important. One is Sato Pradhan stage. So I explain a little more tomorrow about what exactly when we are Tamo Pradhan, then Rajo, then Sato, and then Sato Pradhan. Sato Pradhan means climax. Climax means just only Sato. There is only Sato. Because then gradually the degrees reduce. And second is, if you read blessing from today's Murli of self-sovereignty, because at confluence stage, from this divine sanskar, there will be self-sovereignty. And Baba has explained that when you are in super sensitive joy, then Baba, you have right over Baba, and he wills you, put in his will for you, so that we remain in super sensitive joy. So when you are in super sensitive joy, you are not pulled by your sense organs. That means self-sovereignty. And Baba said, if you are stage remains unshakable and stable in supersensive joy, then your future kingdom will also be very stable, and it will not, everything will be consistent. So self sovereignty at confluence age and supersensitive joy is really one of the main practice we will keep in mind and look at our self sovereignty before the future divine kingdom. Om Shanti.